Hello guys, it's Arna 2000 again. I'm gonna be continuing with my Let's Play. This time it's part 3. So about the mistake in the name from my last video. There's two part 1s. One of them, the one that hasn't got too many items as a picture, is part 1. Yeah, I think that's right. Where's my house? Oh, I don't need that. I'll go explore this cave then. Oh, some iron! Oh, that's the jackpot for starters. Coal. Iron. Gold! Gold! I mean diamond! Ah! I need to make an iron pit quickly. I need to make an iron pit. I need to make an iron pit. I need to make an iron pit. Quickly, 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 quickly. I need to make an iron pick. Got to make this iron pick. Make some iron. An iron pickaxe. Oh yeah, I need to cook it. Silly me. I might have to cook iron to make it. Oh, it's getting leggy. We're back on it. Oh yes, I better shut that door. There's a zombie up there. Let's go to sleep. Oh. Yep, I'm going to sleep. There we go. It's done. Yay! Why is that? Yes, got the iron pick I needed. Let's go get this diamond. Ah, stupid leg. Just keep going, keep going. It's a decent dude. Oh, that is really good. Not she needs to do something about that. Maybe it might just be my computer. I actually don't know. Is it this cave? Yeah. Skeleton. You go down there. Whoa! I think I may set it for peaceful while I do this. Oh, it's close, dude. Oh, 1, I hate lag. 2, I hate creepers. That's why I set it to peaceful. Oh. Diamonds! Achievement! Diamonds! 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 I'm never used to finding diamonds. What do you think I should make? A diamond pick or a diamond sword? Oh, diamond shovel and a diamond sword. I don't know. It's all up to you guys. Just comment. If you don't comment, I'll decide myself in my next video. I'll put some things in. And I'll put my diamonds in the chest as well, in case I die. It's getting laggy again. I hate lag, as I said before. Yeah, that's better. Girls! Go ice skating. 360! Oh, this mod is pretty cool. I want to make a mushroom soup. What's that? What can you do with golden nugget though? Tell me in the comment box, I have no idea. Throwing sand. Blaze powder. I swear this stuff is new. I could have sworn. I know this stuff is new. Oh no. Achievements. So I just did getting diamonds. Yeah, got diamond. Enchanted table. How do you make an enchanted table? Need that. Build a portal to the nether. A book, obsidian, and diamonds to construct. Enchant. Gotta get a book. That's gonna be hard. I'm gonna go for my texture pack, see what it does. Go with SMP rival. 60 times medieval. Single player. I'm gonna have to go in a second because of a certain amount of time I can do. Yeah. Oh, there's me house. Oh, I found some diamond in that place now. That was cool. Where's my... Ouch. I'm just gonna cheat and get some torches. Which way? And I'm like, what? Oh, sand. There we go. 2. This is where it leads to. It's not cool. I'm finding nothing. No, it's not gonna be anything. Let's go. I found diamond. What's that? I thought that was an enderman for a second. What's this? The iron. Oh, I know. Another entrance. Must be some kind of cave around here. Getting ready again. I think that'll have to be the end of this video because it's getting to the point it's very long. So thank you for watching.